Hi guys, welcome back to this channel, Big John App. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to design a YouTube banner using just AI, and it is 100% free. You don't need to have any skill in graphic design before you be able to do this. Yes, you don't need to have any skill in Photoshop or CorelDRAW before you be able to do this. All you need is just the right prompt. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to write a proper prompt in order for you to get your design done. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, to do this, just head over to your Chatgpt. As you can see, here's my Chatgpt. Go ahead and click it. Okay, as you can see, the next thing to do is to write your prompt. You understand? Now I want to create a YouTube banner for my YouTube channel. I know what I want, but I don't know how to write a proper prompt to get what I want. So now I'm going to describe everything that I know about the banner in details to Chatgpt. Then I'll tell Chatgpt to write another prompt in order for me to get a better result. So after I write my own prompt, the way I understand the prompt to create the banner, I'll tell Chatgpt to optimize my own prompt for me. I'll tell Chatgpt to act as a prompt engineer and optimize that my own prompt for me in order for me to get a better result. So now see the way I'm going to do it. Now let me write my own prompt the way I understand it. Create a professional YouTube banner, edges and okay guys, as you can see, here's my own understanding of the banner that I want to create. Do you understand? Here's my own understanding of the prompt of the banner that I want to create. Do you understand? Look at it. Create a professional YouTube banner, blah blah blah. Do you understand? Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to tell Chatgpt to act as a prompt engineer and optimize this my own prompt for me. With that, Chatgpt is going to write a new version of this my prompt for me, and then I'm going to copy that one and edit it, and then I'll go ahead and create my design. So let's write it. Okay, as you can see, I tell Chatgpt to act as a prompt engineer, optimize this prompt for me in order for me to get a better result. So now I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Okay, as you can see, now Chatgpt have optimized our own prompt. Do you understand? Now Chatgpt have write another version of our prompt for us in a better way. With this, we are going to get what we want. So what we have to do now is to go ahead and then copy this prompt. Copy this particular prompt that Chatgpt write for us, copy it and then paste it and then edit it. Do you understand? You have to remove the part that you don't want. Remove the part that you don't want. You understand? If you don't want this part, this final one, I don't want it, and then add anyone that you want. Anything that you want, just go ahead and add it. If you want to edit anything, go ahead and edit it, like this name. If I want, I can change it. Do you understand? You can change it to your own. Let me see if I want, I can put Joyce, like Johnny. Do you understand? Go ahead and edit it to fit what you want. Okay, now after you edit it to what you want, go ahead and copy it. Copy it, select everything and copy it. Open a fresh page like I said and go ahead and paste the prompt that you edited and copied. Do you understand? Go ahead and paste it, as you can see, and then go ahead and hit OK. Okay, now look very well. If you look, Chatgpt asked me a question. He said, upload a photo of yourself if the image should represent you, or let me generate a professional looking AI male figure based on your description. Do you understand? Now based on my prompt, Chatgpt is asking me, do I want my own picture on the design, or I want Chatgpt to imagine just any random male graphic designer? So now if you want to add your own picture, just come here, upload your own picture. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to tell Chatgpt to just generate any male graphic design. Do you understand? Okay, now look at it. I tell Chatgpt to just generate a black male designer. Do you understand? So with this, Chatgpt is just going to generate any random male for me. Do you understand? But if you want to upload your own image, you can just go ahead and click here. Do you understand? And then upload your own image, and then you tell Chatgpt to use your image instead. Do you understand? So now go ahead and hit OK. As you can see, our image is being created. You see, this is nice. Do you understand? This is nice. Look at the prompt. Look at the design from ChatGPT. Do you understand? Okay, now what if you want to use your own image instead of this young man? Do you understand? For you to do that, just come here and attach your own image. Do you understand? Attach your own photo. Let me say I want to use this photo. Then I'll tell ChatGPT use this photo instead of that male. You see, use this photo instead of that male. Do you understand? And then I'll go ahead and hit OK. So with this, ChatGPT is going to use this woman instead of this guy. Do you understand? Let's watch and see the magic from ChatGPT. Okay, guy, look at that. You see? Look at the female that I used instead. Look at her. Do you understand? You see, right? So now I was able to replace this female instead of this particular guy. Do you understand? So this is how you are going to upload your own image. This is how to use your own picture instead of using another picture. Do you understand? So if I gave you this prompt, or if you need the prompt, if you write your own prompt, make sure you do it this way. Use your own image. But me, I don't actually like my own picture on my banner though, but this is how you are going to do it. In case, I'm just giving you an example. You see now, you see the face did not change. A lot of you used to come to my DM and say the face did not go where. It's because you did not follow what I'm teaching. If you follow what I'm teaching, you see that, see, look at, is it not the same face? Is it not the same face? Look at this face. Look at the face. What's the difference there? Look at it now. Look at it. Is there any difference there? You see? Look at that. It's the way you prompt it. If you structure your prompt very well, you get your result. Do you understand? Because a lot of people do come in. Don't worry. Do you know what? Now, I'm going to make a video specifically on how to replace image on a design. Do you understand? How to use your own image on a design that the face will not change. Do you understand? I will do a video specifically for that, because a lot of you are on my DM telling me, oh, you are not getting the face, it change your face. Do you understand? As you can see, this face is the same, the clothes, everything is the same thing. You see, but look at it, you see. In fact, this one is even, the one on ChatGPT is even more brighter and look okay than this one. Do you understand? Okay, now let's make another example for a better understanding. Do you understand? Let's make another example so you can understand better. Okay, guys, to do this, as usual, I always tell you that you should write what you understand. Do you understand? Write a well-detailed description of the design that you want to create. I want to create a YouTube banner, right? But I don't know the perfect prompt that will give me the result. Like I always tell you, go ahead and describe what you want to create to ChatGPT. Yes, describe your own understanding of the banner that you want to create. Just go ahead and describe it the way you understand it, and then tell ChatGPT to optimize it for you. Yes, with that, ChatGPT will write a new version of that your prompt for you. Do you understand? So now I'm going to go ahead and write my own prompt the way I understand it. Design a modern tech creative. Let me put my finger on this. Creative. Okay, now this is what I understand. Do you understand? Design a modern and professional. Do you understand? This is my own understanding of the prompt of the YouTube banner that I want to create. Do you understand? So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to tell ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer and optimize this my prompt for me. If you have been following my video, you understand what I want to do. Do you understand? Okay, look at what I tell ChatGPT. Act as a prompt engineer, optimize this prompt for me in order for me to get a better result. So with this, ChatGPT is going to rewrite a new version of this my prompt for me, and then I'll go ahead and edit that one and copy it and head over to create my design. Do you understand? So go ahead and hit OK. Okay, as you can see, now ChatGPT have rewrite my own prompt for me. Do you understand? Now ChatGPT have optimized this prompt for me. All I have to do now is to go ahead and copy this prompt. Go ahead and copy it and then paste it in order for you to edit it. Now go ahead and edit it. Anything that you don't want there, remove it. Do you understand? Edit it to fit what you want. Do you understand? I want this part to be bold, like this gray modern. I want it a little bold. It shouldn't be smaller, it should be bold. That is what I want. I know where that thing should be. I'm the one that described it to ChatGPT, right? And he optimized it. So what I don't want, I know how to remove it. I want this to be in impact. There's this font called impact. That's the font that I want to use. Impact font. Yeah, that's the font that I want. You understand? Okay, now I've edited this prompt the way I want it. All I have to do now is to copy this particular one that I edited. You understand? Go ahead and copy it. Come here, open a fresh page. I always tell you to open a fresh page. Then go ahead and paste your prompt. You understand? This is the prompt that I edited. And then go ahead and hit OK. Okay, now ChatGPT asked me, thanks for the tailored detail before I generate the banner. Please upload the black and white sketch style for logo. You understand? Okay, now instead of my image, I use a kind of a sketch logo. Do you understand? There's the way I do it. When I generate it, you are going to see it instead of using my own image. Do you understand? Everything is from the description. Look at it very well. Let me show you where that thing comes from. Okay, look at this place very well. You see, on the right side, place a black and white sketch style face logo of a bird man below the logo, right? I don't want to use my own picture. Like I said, I don't like putting my own picture, so I come out with this idea. Do you understand? So now ChatGPT is now asking me if I have generated the sketch, or maybe I've sketched it somewhere. Do you understand? But I did not sketch it somewhere, so I'm going to tell ChatGPT to create the sketch also. Do you understand? In case if you paste it, I don't want to use my own image on this one, so that you get more understanding. Do you understand? So that, but if you want to change it, if you don't want that thing there, if you don't want it there, you can go ahead and delete it. It is what I want, right? If I don't want it, I can delete it and add the one that I want. And if you want to use your own image, I taught you on the first example. So now I'm going to go ahead and tell ChatGPT to go ahead and create a generic sketch style. Do you understand? Okay, look at it. I tell ChatGPT to go ahead and create a generic sketch style. Do you understand? The English is from here. Nobody say I hear English. Look at it very well. It is the response that ChatGPT want me to give. So make sure you give it back. You know, ChatGPT is garbage in, garbage out. Make sure you know what you are doing. Go ahead and click OK. Okay, and as you can see, our image is being created. Okay, as you can see, look at the design. Wow, this is handsome. You see, this is handsome. Look at the sketch that I'm talking about. Look at the sketch. If you look very well, the size of this image is a little bit, is bigger than YouTube banner, right? It is bigger. Yeah, YouTube banner is kind of longer and smaller than this. Now let me show you how you are going to do it to fit YouTube cover. Do you understand? Okay, now that you've gotten all your banner, what you have to do to resize it is that you have to go ahead, head over to PixalLab. You can use CorelDRAW, Photoshop, or whatever. I don't know, but just, and then I'm going to write the size. Do you understand? Now the size of YouTube banner is, the real size is 2560, then 1440. Okay, as you can see, then go ahead and hit OK. Okay, this is perfect size of YouTube banner. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead and drag my image, bring my image. Okay, go ahead and choose your design. Choose it this way. As you can see, this is the size, 16:9 bar. You see bar? Then you just have to drag it to fit. You see? Okay, now this is perfect. You see bar? This is exactly how you are going to do it. Then go ahead and save the image. Yes, this remind me, a lot of you are saying that I'm using pro version. I'm not actually using a pro version. Now I've generated about 3 images today, so that's why that thing is giving me this sign. Do you understand? I cannot attach more image. So this is basically how to design a YouTube banner using just AI. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're watching from YouTube, and don't forget to follow this account and like the video if you're watching from Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. And big Jonah as per usual friend. Hand to head. Salute. Bye.